Number 20, true or false, that equation represents a straight line. Yeah, look, you see, there's no x's in the denominator. There's no x's being squared. There's no y squareds. There's no roots over the x. Yeah, it's got an x, it's got a y. That's definitely going to be a straight line. This one over here, number 21, true or false, it represents a straight line. Again, it's got an x at the top and a y at the top. No x squareds, no y squareds, no root of x's, no x's or y's in the denominator. So yeah, that's a perfect straight line. Number 22, will that equation be a straight line? Definitely not. Your x is in the denominator. Number 23, the equation below be written in standard form. Alright, well, no problem. You know what standard form is, eh? There, I've inserted standard form in pink. Y equals mx plus c. So the first thing that I did was I just got the y's on the left and then the x's and the constants on the right. That's the first step. And then you have to divide the 3y by 3 to get y on its own. So I divide all the others by 3 and you end up with that. Okay. Number 24, to get that into standard form, the first thing I actually did was I got rid of the denominator. So I just got everything over 3, because when everything's over 3, I drop the 3's and I've got no more denominators. So that's my, I always go that route. Whenever I've got fractions in equations, I get rid of the denominators. So that's what I did, got rid of the 3. Then I just had 2y plus 3x equals 12, and then I just got the y's on its own and the same as the previous one. Right, number 25. Here they are asking for the x and y intercept of the line below. Okay, well, basically that's your dual intercept method. So to find an x-intercept, you make y naught. So there I made y naught, solved the equation, and I got x is 2. So there's your x-intercept. It cuts the x at 2. Its coordinate is 2 with 0. And then to find the y-intercept, you make x naught. So I just subs x is 0 into the equation, and I ended up with y is equal to minus 6. So that's the y-intercept. It's where it cuts the y-axis. The coordinate of that point is x is 0, y is minus 6. Okay, there are your two intercepts. Again, they want the same thing here, the x and y intercept. So exactly the same method. Make the y naught and make the x naught. Solve your two equations, and there are your intercepts. And exactly the same thing again with 27. The only thing that's different is the equations are getting a little bit harder, but nothing actually that difficult.